Hi, Steve. It's great to see you again.
It sure is, Kevin. It's great to be back with another new live webinar.
It certainly is. And due to popular demand, we're revisiting an old friend, PTP.
We sure are. Since our last webinar, which is still up on the Leader Europe and the Leader Instruments YouTube channels, in case anybody wants to view it, we've started to see customers asking new PTP related questions about their installed PTP systems.
These are like the next generation PTP questions. And some of those include, I have an operational system with PTP that's operating correctly for a period of time, but I'm now starting to see some strange effects. Or I've started to expand my original IP infrastructure and I'm starting to notice strange things are happening.
And joining us to discuss these PTP related topics, we're pleased to announce Gerald Phillips and Ryan Morris from Arista will be with us. So, irrespective of whether you're an old hat at doing PTP or you're just beginning your PTP implementation, what better way to hear from experts from Arista and Leader who have products that create, distribute, monitor PTP throughout an IP infrastructure?
Arista and Leader have a wealth of experience from a myriad of PTP installations globally. So what better way to increase your knowledge than to learn from two of the broadcast industry's leading PTP players? So Steve, when and where is the webinar taking place?
Well, Kevin, we're having the live PTP webinar. We've only just begun, which will be taking place on August 24th at 9 a.m. Pacific time, 12 noon Eastern time, 1700 BST time, and 1800 CET time.
So if you've joined any of our webinars before, look out for an email in your inbox, or alternatively, you can register using the link displayed on the screen to receive an invite to this exciting webinar. Steve, I can't wait till the 24th. I look forward to seeing you there. And hopefully we'll have a good audience and we can share this information and knowledge with everybody.
Kevin, it's going to be a great time on August 24th. I really look forward to it. I think it's going to be outstanding for our customers. There's going to be a wealth of knowledge that we'll be able to go through.
Excellent. Steve, until the 24th.
Yes, Kevin, I look forward to seeing you on the 24th. Take care.
Take care. Bye then.
Bye.